What if the sale you take at your counter was already in WooCommerce before the customer walked out? And what if your stock, your takings, and your orders never disagreed with each other again? Sounds good, but right now somebody is standing there with cash and the sale goes down on paper. So you type it all in again tonight, and while you do, everybody behind them just waits. This is MultiPOS, a point-of-sale plugin for WooCommerce. It turns the shop you already run into a real cash register. No second app, no second set of numbers. Your cashier taps what they are buying, or scans the barcode on the box, or just types a name or a code. The cart adds up as it fills, and the tax works itself out. Add a coupon, take money off, hold the order for later. They are ready to pay. Tap what they handed you. The change is already counted. Or split one bill 2 ways. One press. And it is done. Cash, card, chip and PIN, PayPal, bank transfer. And the receipt is yours to design. The demo is live, and the link is below. Subscribe for more WooCommerce walkthroughs. There is a whole shop inside the register. Look up a customer, reprint an order, refund a sale, check today's takings, and drive the whole thing from keyboard shortcuts. That sale is not a note in another app. It is a real WooCommerce order, stock and tax already counted. Nothing to type in again tonight. Run a cafe? Set that outlet to restaurant. Now the same screen knows about tables. Dining in or taking away. Pick a table and the floor plan says so. Send it to the kitchen while you take the money. And the kitchen already has the order. Any screen in the kitchen works, and nobody needs to log in. No printer, no paper, no shouting. And everything you set up once. One dashboard over the whole business. Unlimited outlets, unlimited cashiers, sales by day, stock counted per shop, barcode labels, you print, every payment logged, and a receipt you design yourself. Then install the register as a PWA app on any device you own. And if the internet drops, the register keeps selling. One store, one system, no evening spent typing today's sales in again. Get MultiPOS today at DevDiggers.com.